So this week we are going over rhythm. Now remember that rhythm includes the short and the long sounds that we hear in music. So when we're talking about rhythm this week, we are going to start to work on how to actually identify what those rhythms look like in music. So last week we were doing a song called Bounce High, Bounce Low. If you remember, it goes bounce high, bounce low, bounce the ball to Shiloh. And we had the movable hearts with it, right? The different lines in the movable hearts represented different things. So let's go over ta and Titi, okay? So if we break down the song Bounce High, Bounce Low, we had bounce high, bounce low. If we're looking at the rhythm, the hearts that we had were ta, 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 ta. So the way that we are going to look at ta now is going to be like this. So this is referred to as ta. So now when we see this symbol, we are going to think of ta. The second part of the song, bounce the ball to Shiloh. If we look at the rhythm, and if we look at the hearts that we had before, it would sound T, 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 ta, ta. One more time. T, 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 ta, ta. Now, Titi looked kind of like this when we were using it in the movable hearts. But now we're going to move towards using the note heads. So both of them are going to not just be the lines anymore, but we are going to look at them like this. So Titi looks like this. In the next two slides, you are going to be interacting with them. All you have to do is move a dot. You can just pick one color to move the dot onto the correct one. So the first slide says, which one is ta? You're gonna take one dot and you're gonna move it to where ta is. Once you do that, move on to the next slide. The next slide asks, what does Titi look like? And you're going to pick one dot and you're going to move it to the picture that's Titi. Now, once you do that, it saves that information and I get that. So you do not have to worry about it being saved or anything. As long as you do the activities, it will get saved.